Okay, so we are going to show you how to fold up the top for the 1965 Alfa Romeo Giulia. My son Keenan and I are going to do this. In spite of the size of this car, this is a two-person job. So first thing we got to do is unlatch the windshield latches, right and left side. They snap down and then they unhook. And then we're going to lift it a little bit to take the tension off and then pull the back hooks off. You can see they hook underneath these latches here. Okay. Then we're going to lean it forward. No, now we're going to lift. This is the tricky part. There is a spring-loaded hook, so you have to lift up a little bit and then release the spring on the inside to allow the top to fall. And I'm not getting mine. All right, we got it. Okay, so now the next thing you got to do is once you've released it, you got to put the back in first and take the back covering off. This kind of snaps in a little tight at first. Unhook, I'm in. Okay, we're in, I think. Okay, so then that pushes tight, put the flap down over it, and you're done.